guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to charge up the Reaper, and we're going to see what she can do in the real world, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of
No Pros RC.
Enemies.
A few moments later.
Looks like once it's charged, the LED light goes off. I'm gonna say that was probably about 2 hours it took to charge or so. All right, let's get it in the car and take it out and see what she can actually do in the real world.
He's on fire! Another one.
Just witnessed was awesome. I had a freaking blast with this thing. I never knew. I never knew. This is fun to drive. It really is. And all the stunts that I just didn't know it could do this. You still got traction on the tires, but you can see where it is wearing down from all the burnouts and stuff. That's what's awesome about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this real world test run of the new Bright Reaper. If you're new around here, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell so you know when we go live with new videos. And stay tuned because we're going to have much more fun with this guy. And now I know what this light means. It means the battery is dead. Guess what? I have another one. Thank you all very much for watching our videos. We appreciate you taking your valuable time and doing so. And until the next one, guys, y'all be easy.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.